Hi, welcome and thank you for attending this presentation of the Sheridan Press. We'll spend the next few minutes discussing law publications and the publication market itself. This presentation is not about how to distribute your content on other electronic means, but about how you can distribute your complete journal. No alliances, partnerships, or affiliations are applied to the illustrations and examples in this publication. My name is Linda Joswick, and I started the Sheridan Press over 12 years ago. 3 years ago, I joined the Technology Solutions team. My job is to research, analyze, and design products and services in the area of print-on-demand ebooks and augmented reality. I continue to look for new ways for publishers to manage, present, and deliver their content. Our agenda will include Our agenda will include an introduction to the Sheridan Group. We'll cover some publishing trends and some alternative publishing methods. We'll take a closer look at some of the different vehicles for delivering electronic content, such as ebooks, interactive journal viewers, and HTML articles. And I'll show you some emerging business models, such as e-commerce, subscription management, and web-to-print. Just a brief history about the Sheridan Group. Sheridan Press started in 1950. We've made several acquisitions over the past 99 years, but we still concentrate on scholarly publishing services using print, electronic, and advanced technology-based publishing business models. By the way, these numbers here are for the Sheridan Press only. Sheridan Group has 5 locations. 3 of these, the Sheridan Press, Dartmouth Printing, and Dartmouth Journals, are involved in scholarly publishing. Sheridan Books handles the publishing of books, many of which are scholarly publications. The Sheridan Group houses our technology lab that works on high-end technical research and development. Let's look at the current formats for publishing so we have some background before we discuss alternative publishing methods. During a publishing cycle, publisher brings curatorial value to the content being considered for publication. You have to consider what category the information falls into, what publication it should appear in, when and how the information is delivered, print, electronic, or both. Electronic publications and digital printing are the 2 most significant factors influencing a publisher's business plan. Both have shown a steady growth across all publication types, journals, ebooks, magazines, and newsletters. This is our 3D approach to publishing success. Just because you've created the greatest publication in the world, it doesn't mean that they will come. How are you going to distribute your publication? How will people discover it? If they can't find it, how will they know about it? Print distribution is pretty straightforward and has been around for years. You have subscriptions, newsstand, or bookstore sales. Electronic distribution has a multitude of options. Let's look at some ways that electronic publications are currently distributed. We'll use the Stafford Law Review as an example, though I could have selected any number of quality publications. Their ebook is available on iTunes. Several law journals are available in ebook formats from various third-party vendors. The file is downloaded to your mobile device. In this case, it's an iPad. Select an e-reader app. In this case, I choose iBooks. This happens to be an e-reader that comes installed on the iPad. And you can see the ebook on your bookshelf, and to open it, you just tap on it. We'll take a deeper look at the ebook formats a little bit later. Many law reviews have moved to online offerings. Some law journals have a semi-traditional look and feel to their online displays and features. Most offer the articles as PDFs, which can be viewed on your computer or tablet. These are basically an online version of files used for print. Some have deconstructed the traditional page to take advantage of being online really means, in terms of features and functions. More diversity can be added to a website by offering audio and video content and up-to-the-minute news feeds. Others prominently promote their subscriptions and offer links to ebooks from various third-party vendors. One of the most diverse offerings online is the American Bar Association. The site is optimized so it knows the type of device it's delivering the content to, and it adjusts accordingly. This site sorts the news by topics. It offers a current issue of its journal. It offers podcasts and several blog feeds. And best of all, it has the chance for you to stay connected through all different mediums. You can always be in touch with this site. Notice also that each page has advertisements, something that you don't often see in law review websites. Let's take a closer look at electronic content vehicles and what they are. Electronic content vehicle is the process that's used to deliver your journal content that is not printed. These would be ebooks, eJournals, interactive viewers, and apps. We're going to take a look at several different electronic content vehicles. There are many different e-readers. They have similar features and functions. The most common is the iPad and the Kindle Fire. For our examples, I will be using the iPad. An ebook preserves the integrity of a publication while adding some basic navigational tools, like table of contents to link to the articles. You have some nice flipping action to some of the e-readers, and this technology also offers a search and the opportunity to scale the type so that you can be more comfortable reading. You can highlight and add your notes, and all links are linked to the footnotes. Also, URLs and email links should be active. A good ebook will allow you to zoom in on an image. You can add bookmarks, and you should have a place where you can actually reference your bookmarks and your notes. Some new ebook publishing innovations are self-publishing sites that create books in electronic formats using online software too. iBooks Author and Inkling Habitat are two examples. Inkling Habitat is a collaborative publishing tool for creating content across a team of editors, designers, and developers. They offer templates and widgets for interactivity. And EPUB 3, among other things, offers JavaScript support, which allows for more interactivity and animation in ebooks. An interactive journal viewer allows someone to view a complete journal online or off. The electronic layout mimics the print journal, can add paper technology, and also can add video and audio clips. This viewer adds a link for table of contents. It also has a zoom that can be adjusted. There's bookmarking features. And there might also be some print capabilities. An eJournal can have many dynamic features. The extra real estate to the left side of the cover could be used for an advertisement or more information, or it could be a video. You can add flash animation. Then you actually can go in and pull out the text out of an article, so it's easy to read on smaller devices, like on a smartphone. This would be scalable, and also you can add Google Translate to this. And of course you can add video and audio into this player also, and it can start automatically, or you can actually have it activated with the Go button. Applications allow for viewing content on mobile devices without an internet connection. We're going to take a look at the features offered by an app. You can download an app from iTunes or Google Play depending on your platform. I've downloaded MRS Bulletin app from iTunes to my iPad. I click on the icon to open the app. Here you can see that the issue has been downloaded and is available on the iPad. This issue is. The ones marked new are available for download from the internet. Let's open this app and take a look at some of the features. You can see some thumbnails at the bottom for quick navigation. Here we have an advertisement. You can add a pop-up window to this and it can have more information for an advertisement, or it may have more information about an article. A horizontal position will give you a completely different layout. Table of contents links to the articles and also any URLs and email addresses should be active. A headline could link also to text-only window for easier reading on smaller devices. And depending on the device you're viewing on an app, there could be a menu for the table of contents. There might be an advertiser's menu that would link to the advertisement within the app, and also could link you to the advertiser's webpage, or maybe you could email them. You would have a search, share, and help menu that would have your bookmarks for your favorite features. You should be able to search through this one particular article or journal, current issue, or all the issues that you have downloaded. You can share information on social medias or email. And one of your best apps will actually have a connection to a website, and it will open the web page directly in the app, which leaves your reader to be able to continue viewing content within your app. And there might be a help page to navigate, showing you how to navigate through the book. We've covered several different ways to deliver your content to the public, but how do we apply the vehicles we've discussed to business models to generate revenue? We'll discuss business-to-business and business-to-consumer programs using a marriage of electronic publishing formats and automated digital presses using just-in-time printing processes. Some of the new business models you might want to look into are digital printing as a cost-effective way to offer high-quality, low-quantity printing. You can offer an e-commerce site for online sales of your e-journals and e-books. There are a couple of different ways to offer online subscription management, and we will look at augmented reality to bring another dimension to the printed page. Let's discuss digital printing and the print continuum. Through a web portal, you can generate an initial print of a journal or book. It can provide a print-on-demand service that's based on just-in-time printing for any back issue or special orders. There won't be copies in the warehouse that are just gathering dust. You'll be able to satisfy your customers' demands for back issues easily and efficiently. Using a web-to-print portal, files can be uploaded, orders placed, and shipping addresses assigned. The printing is done automatically on high-quality digital presses. Once the product is shipped, you would receive a shipping notice. All the communication and information is available in one location, and that makes this process very easy and efficient for you. Through a link in your current website, you could offer an e-commerce solution for selling and delivering your ebook. A purchaser could select the format that they would want to read, add it to their cart, and have the ebook delivered instantly to their device. Consider the idea of having your subscriptions run through a print-on-demand solution. You might also want to think about outsourcing your subscriber services. This could free up your resources and time. It would let you concentrate on the curating and branding work of your publication. Another idea to consider is the possibility of ordering subscriptions online through an affordable e-commerce site. I've mocked up a few slides on what this might look like. Your publications would be listed with different subscription options. A purchaser selects a subscription, pays with a credit card or PayPal. The funds are collected and your subscriber services is notified of the subscriber's information. This is a simple illustration based on some research that we are doing. This is something that you feel that you would be interested in or you would like some more information on. We would be really happy to have you contact us and give us your feedback. Augmented reality adds another layer of information over the printed page. It gives you the opportunity to add more value to a static page. Using a free app, you can scan a page with AR, and you're able to access more images, a web page, or article that isn't available in the printed publication. An article could also be converted to a mobile-friendly version for reading on a smartphone. I presented some of the future-facing technologies that we feel will help keep law reviews relevant and competitive. These include interactive ebooks, multimedia publications, e-commerce, and print-on-demand programs. I hope that this presentation has shown you some new ways to manage, present, and deliver your content. Thank you very much for your time.